In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Notion. If you've been using Notion in a language that isn't your preference, or you're working in a multilingual environment, changing the display language can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient you feel. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to change the language in the Notion desktop app or the web version, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way. First, open Notion on your computer, either in your browser or in the desktop app. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main sidebar where all your workspaces and pages appear. At the very top of this sidebar, look for the option labeled Settings and Members. In some versions, it may simply say Settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens your settings window, which is where you control most of your account and workspace preferences. Once the settings window is open, focus on the smaller sidebar inside that window. Here, you'll see several categories related to your account and workspace. Under the section labeled Account, find and select the option called Preferences. This is where Notion groups together things like your appearance, language, and region settings, so it's the place you need to be. Inside Preferences, scroll or look until you find the section called Language and Region. In some older or slightly different versions, this might appear as Language and Time, but it serves the same role. This section controls the display language, as well as regional formats like date and time, depending on your setup. Now, in the Language and Region section, look for the drop-down menu next to Language. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a list of all the languages currently supported by Notion. Take a moment to scroll through and find the language you want to use. When you see your preferred language, click on it to select it. After you choose a language, Notion may immediately switch to that language, or you might see a button or prompt asking you to confirm or update your choice. If you see an update button or similar confirmation, click it to apply the change. Once that's done, your Notion interface should reload or refresh into the new language. Check your menus, buttons, and sidebar to make sure everything looks right. If it doesn't change right away, try closing and reopening Notion or refreshing your browser tab. And that's all you need to do to change the display language in Notion.